Why do stress and anxiety manifest physically in the body? Have you ever felt your heart race before an exam or experienced stomach cramps when nervous? That's not a coincidence. Stress and anxiety don't just affect your thoughts, they impact your entire body. Let's explore why your emotions often translate into very real physical symptoms. Your brain and body are deeply connected. When you feel stressed, your brain sends signals through your nervous system, activating something called the fight or flight response. This is your body's way of protecting you in dangerous situations, but when it happens too often, it begins to take a toll. When you experience stress, your body releases hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. These chemicals make your heart beat faster, your muscles tense up, and your breathing quicken. While great in emergencies, constant activation of this response can harm your physical health over time. Long-term stress can lead to headaches, digestive problems, and even a weakened immune system. Your body doesn't know the difference between a life-threatening danger and a tough homework deadline, so it reacts the same way. That's why ongoing stress can make you feel physically unwell. Anxiety often feels like it's in your body as much as in your mind. Ever noticed clammy hands, shaky legs, or a tight chest when anxious? This happens because your body is preparing for an imagined threat, even when the danger isn't real. Anxiety also disrupts your breathing patterns. Shallow, rapid breaths can reduce the oxygen in your bloodstream, causing dizziness or tingling in your fingers. These physical reactions can be scary but are simply your body overreacting to a stressful situation. Understanding the connection between stress and physical symptoms can help you take control. When you recognize signs like fatigue, muscle tension, or upset stomachs, try grounding techniques like deep breathing or mindfulness to calm your nervous system. Exercise and proper sleep are also essential. Moving your body releases endorphins, which improve mood and counteract stress hormones. Similarly, rest allows your body to recover, helping reduce both mental and physical effects of anxiety. Learning about the physical effects of stress isn't just about prevention, it's about empowering you. When you understand what's happening in your body, you can respond mindfully and make healthier choices. Avoid bottling up stress, as it often intensifies the physical symptoms over time. Small daily changes, like drinking water, listening to calming music, or practicing gratitude, can make a big difference. A little self-care today can prevent those body aches and anxious nights tomorrow, leaving you in better shape to tackle life's challenges. You have the power to break the cycle of stress and anxiety. Start by paying attention to your body's signals and treating them as opportunities to slow down and reset. Try relaxation exercises, build supportive habits, and ask for help if stress becomes overwhelming. Remember, managing stress isn't about eliminating it, it's about mastering it. Share this video with your fellow students, and together, let's work toward healthier minds and bodies.